Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how crossplay works in Red Dead Redemption Online between PC and PS4 or PS5. Let's clear this up clearly and quickly. Currently, RDR Online does not support crossplay between PC and PlayStation consoles. This means PC players cannot directly play, join sessions, or form posses with PS4 or PS5 players. Rockstar Games has never added cross-platform functionality for Red Dead Online, and there are no in-game settings, social club options, or workarounds that enable true crossplay. Even if both players are logged into Rockstar's social club, the platforms remain completely separate. PC servers and console servers do not connect in any way. Using mods, VPNs, or third-party tools will not enable crossplay and can result in bans or account restrictions. The only thing you can do is play on the same platform as your friends. If you want to play together, both players must be on PC or both must be on PlayStation. Until Rockstar officially adds crossplay support, which has not been announced, crossplay between PC and PS4 or PS5 is not possible. Subscribe the channel for more videos.